If you hate those 6-mark questions on required practicals, then watch this. I've got 3 tips for you on how to master them. So first off, make sure you understand the mark schemes, because they are different to all the other mark schemes for the AQA paper. You're given a level, you're not given a mark out of 6, for example. Okay, so depending on what the question is asking you to do, you get assigned a level first, and then you get assigned a mark within that level. This leads on to the second tip, which is look at the command word, because 6-mark questions will sometimes be describe a method. So if the command word is describe a method, to get a level 3, to get 5 or 6 out of 6, what you've got to do is give a method that gets you valid results. And by that, I mean it's got to actually work. So you would have to get results from it. If it's an evaluate question, and the command word is evaluate, then you've got to make sure that you're giving pros and cons with a justified conclusion. No conclusion, the maximum you're going to get is 4 out of 6. Sorry, going back to the describe method, if you don't get valid results from your method, again, maximum you're going to get 4 out of 6. So you could write perfect method and miss out one tiny step, you don't get results, 4 out of 6. And finally, again, for a method question, so a required practical 6-mark method question, you have got to make sure that you include variables. You've got to include variables. They are going to give you that valid method. So control variables, remember what you're going to keep the same. So for example, if the question asks you to describe the effect of changing the concentration of an acid on the rate of a reaction, you're obviously changing the concentration of the acid. What would you keep the same? The volume of the acid, the type of acid. Specify that in your answer, because that will give you the valid results, which will get you the level 3 answer of 5 or 6 out of 6.